Jesus. Welcome to Backyard Planking. My name is Charles, and it's been a little while. For some of you guys that have been watching for quite a while, maybe somebody just picked this up. I have been absent. It started out innocent enough. For the first chance in 30-something years, I had a chance to do a summer vacation. I did a little career change. Everything kind of went south. A little over a month ago, I got up one morning. My better half, she was still in the bed asleep. I didn't bother. Did what I had to do. I come back in there and look, and it looked like her lips were a little blue. I said, "Are you okay?" "I don't really feel good." "Okay, is there something I can do for you?" She said, "Well, probably take me to the hospital." I said, "Do you need to go now?" She said, "No, probably 20 minutes ago." I said, "Why didn't you tell me?" Congestive heart failure. And she's asthmatic. So we spent 2.5 weeks in intensive care. True to the way she is, she had to visit every floor of the hospital all the way down. She is home. She is doing much better. Thank you very much. But I was a little more concerned about that. I had 21 years invested in her. Didn't want to start over. I knew for a fact she was doing a whole lot better when I got her home, because the first thing she said when she walked in the door, she said, "Charles, why are there dishes in the sink and not in the dishwasher?" Anyway, we'll pick up kind of where we left off, so to speak. Today, sorry, my Russian's not that good. Basically, these things are exploding pellets. They are legal. You can find them. You dig around on the internet a little bit. .177 caliber. Right? Little plastic cover. What the inside looks like. Now, I've seen some stuff where some guys have actually done real damage with these things. We'll find out. You could see when they hit our swinging steel target out there, our saw blade. A little puff of smoke, a rather loud report when it struck it. Let's try just a solid steel. Sounds like a big firecracker going off. I wonder. Give me just a second. Alright, so it did pretty good against a solid object. Let's see what happens when we hit a exploding golf ball. If I can hit it. I mean, it's been a while, so feel free to laugh. Told you it'd been a while. Holy Moses. Well, it took a pretty good chunk out of the wood 2x4. Wow. I'll make sure and zoom in on that before we're done. All right. Almost in the same spot. Taking a few months off really affects your aim, I got to tell you. I mean, you can hear the report, right? See the smoke? Wow. I gotta go see. Hang on. Now, generally what happens with these things is when you hit them, they go up in a big puff of smoke. It's still in there. Wow. That is freaky. Holy crap. You can find it. Sorry. You can find these things, like I said, on the internet. They're basically exploding pellets, .177 caliber is all you're going to be able to find, but we're going to try some experiments now. That is wild. Just put a hole in it. Pow! When it hit. Wow. You see the little black and burnt parts around it? Where it ignited? How Breaking Bad. Very cool. I would pronounce what they are, but like I said, my Russian ain't no good. See if I can set up some experiments. We're going to use some of that. I get some other stuff I want to show to you guys. Some new air guns, different target ideas and whatnot. Like I said, I apologize for taking so long. It just, family comes first. Sorry, just the way it is. Sorry, I gotta do that again. Anyway, until next time, my name is Charles. It's been Backyard Plenty. What they look like when they get here.
Trying to make things right.